Alright, what's up you guys? Scott86 here in the chatter. Basically what we did today is we had a little malfunction, as you can see, with this old VHS tape. We tried to watch it in the VCR over here and it ate the tape up. So basically what we did was we used an old splicing technique pretty much and just taped the film back together. Cut it like a really clean cut, you know, and taped it back together. And now we're gonna try again and see if it works. So let's see what happens.
Yeah. This this tape we're talking about is what got me into film, what got me into media, what got me into producing. You know, I saved up money as a kid. Saved up $300 back when I was, 12, 13 years old. That's a bunch of money back then. So we're gonna see if it works.
And
I really hope it does, because
basically it really got me into being Corey's friend more. Yeah, should work.
Oh
Keep
shit!
going. Maybe a spot, and then it should pop up again.
Let's really hope. Wait, is this?
What? I fixed it,
Is this the beginning though?
Yeah, I mean you could probably rewind it more. But just stop it and rewind it so it rewinds a little slower.
Yeah.
We had to fix this tape because the VCR ate it and it fucked the tape up. We fixed it with a little bit of tape, and then
Tape on tape.
we turned it on, and from what you saw, it started up. So now, since this thing is super old, the battery thing doesn't really work anymore. So what we're gonna have to do to get this little door open is basically pry it open and break it open to get the tape out.
Let's go for it.
So here we go.
Be careful. Oh, damn! Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, cool.
Good job, Scott. All right, now we gotta finagle the actual film over the rolly things. The button is right there. There you go.
That's the only thing that's going to be a challenge, right?
It's true.
How do we get that to go down?
What?
I got
What?
a super good idea.
What?
Fuck this thing. We don't need this.
Wait, what the fuck are you doing?
We don't need this mechanical thing. I mean, I got it off of there, but we don't need this.
Well,
okay, so what we're
what
gonna
is
do?
going on?
All right, I have.
You need to explain.
I have some VHS tapes in my car, like normal size ones. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get a Phillips head screwdriver, like the one that's like a cross, and we're gonna take those tapes apart and literally put this reel of tape or from these tapes on the bigger tape.
This sounds fucking crazy, dude.
And it's gonna.
You think we can do this?
Yes.
Well, apparently the red tape worked, right?
Yeah.
So
For sure.
I guess it'll work for this.
So I mean, we got proof that it worked.
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
true.
So yeah. All right, so we'll see you guys in a second. This is gonna be crazy, but I think.
Yeah, this is a crazy idea. We're gonna wash these windows real quick, homie. Cause them bitches dirty as a motherfucker. Let's see if we got anything down here. Nothing good enough. Not good enough for me, at least. This camera is very out of focus. There we go. Alright. Stay tuned. And we bring you VHS tape. With tape on it. I get Windex. And a Russian accent.
All right, so.
Holy shit, those are tight looking.
These are really cool. I got these at a thrift store.
Get in there. Get in there. You hear that fucking squeak, bitch?
That's how you know it's clean as fuck. Get your little finger squirt in the bottle.
Very clean.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Very clean. Reminded me of myself when I was young.
Remind me of myself when I was young.
When I was young.
Alright, so this has The Lion King. Disney's The Lion King, right? But we're going to turn this tape, or we're going to turn this tape into this tape.
What?
With just a little know-how. So we'll see you guys in a second.
Where you at, boy? Bring your little cute ass over here, Philip. And make it like a first-person shooter.
Oh, it's going to have to be Toy Story. Lion King's got a weird screw in the middle for some reason. Oh, shit.
Is that big enough for you, or is that too small?
No, that might be perfect. Alright, so you guys check my channel out. Stay tuned because I'm definitely going to be doing the home improvement game for the Super Nintendo Entertainment System within the next couple of months or so. So, yeah, check that shit out. Okay, here we go. Fuck, that sucks. Do that. Okay. But it's gonna be okay because it's gonna be we're gonna be able to watch.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that I don't.
The footage is what matters.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so maybe I can go in like this instead. Oh fuck! Let me get right here maybe so you can see better. Here, put that right there, safe so those pieces don't fall. Tape still.
Yeah, the red tape is over there by the jukebox. Or the boombox. Or the DVD/VHS player.
Alright, so we're back, folks. As you can see, we got all this shit here. I completely took the tape apart and got all the tape off of both of the reels. And this is basically just Toy Story for VHS right here. This is the whole movie, pretty much, except for one part. So, that I cropped out that we're going to put in the video. So, yeah, now I got the tape, or the small tape from this one, movies, onto the big reel. So now I'm going to roll it back up, put it back in the tape, and I'll see you guys whenever I'm putting the tape back together. So hang tight.
You heard the man. You.
So you're gonna just like roll it like this for a while, and then every now and then just kind of be like pull on it to make sure it's tight. Because if you don't do that, it's gonna get loose and shit. You just want to make sure it's compact like it would be whenever it's